Land Rover Defender owners, we have offers exclusively customized for your prestigious car. Holiday season has approached, and we thought maybe you'd like to consider offers regarding car's original parts and programming, such as upgrading the center display for 6,500 dirhams only. Other offers include digital cluster, ambient light, refrigerator, and mirror camera for 5,000, 3,200, 6,500, and 6,500 dirhams respectively. Now, in case you were looking for software and programming related discounts, we offer an update navigation system across GCC countries for 1,600 dirhams and adaptive cruise control for 1,800 dirhams only. These offers are valid until the 13th of January 2024. Visit us today and experience a range of exceptional services available at unbeatable prices. Experts in every turn.